Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to read WhatsApp messages on another phone. Now open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same. And now you have two different options to be able to read these messages. Say somebody is sending messages and you wanted to read it on another device, or you wanted to read it on this phone, but just someone else's WhatsApp. Now you have two different options where you can tap on those three dots at the top right. Keep in mind, if you're on an iPhone, it'll be the settings at the bottom right. Now let's tap on settings at the bottom. And your first option on an Android phone is to just add a new account to this existing WhatsApp. So I can tap on the plus at the top right, and you can see here is my first account. I can just add another account. Tap on add account, and then hit agree and continue. Now you're going to enter in the new phone number for the other account or other phone number that you wanted to read messages for. Keep in mind, it will send a code to that phone, so you need to have access to that phone and then enter in the code, and then you'll be able to see all of those messages on this device. However, let's say instead of that, you wanted to read those messages on a different device. Another option you have, or if you're just on an iPhone, you can tap on those three dots at the top right, and then go to linked devices. And essentially you can just link another device to this WhatsApp account. If you wanted a Mac or Windows or even a web, you can link all of those to this WhatsApp device and essentially read all of those messages in real time. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.